Hi, welcome to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. In this video, I will take you through the steps of restoring objects from archive storage. First, sign in to the OCI console. For this video, I have already created an archive storage bucket by the name archive bucket and uploaded a file with the name archive test. Open the navigation menu and click storage. Under Object Storage and Archive Storage, click Buckets. A list of buckets in the compartment you are viewing is displayed. If you don't see the one you're looking for, verify that you're viewing the correct compartment. Click the buckets where you want to restore objects. Click Objects under Resources. To restore a single object, check the radio button and click the action menu to the right and click restore. You can specify a download time from 1 to 240 hours. I have set 1. Click restore object. The download will be enabled after completion of restore. Click the action menu to the right to see the download icon. Once the download is enabled, click download. Check your downloads for the file. For more information, you can refer to the documentation links mentioned in this video description. Thanks for watching.